Good day, viewers, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedy, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors, also using natural ingredients and natural resources in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or joining us, please consider subscribing to the right button down below this video. Give this video a like, share this video, and also comment on the comment section. For those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, my returning viewers, you know who you are. Those of you who have been supporting me in money and in kind, those of you who have been patronizing me buying my spiritual materials, may my God continue to bless you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, I have come with another powerful spiritual tips that will help you to stop stagnation, rising and falling and delay in your life, that will remove the enemy's hand from your life. Are you that brother on here that is watching me right now? Are you that sister? Are you that woman on here that God has blessed from your mother's womb? In the spiritual realm, you are blessed, but in the physical realm, you are empty. You are empty vessel. You are swallowing in abject poverty. But when people see you, they think things are okay for you. When you dress nice. When someone see you, is going to ask you, brother, where did you park your car? Because of the image that God has made you. God has made you to look like the rich people. God has placed you in your mother's womb, but in the physical realm, you are suffering and wallowing in abject poverty. Brother Chima has come to help you a little bit. Are you that man that when you go out, people will be asking you for money, thinking that you have money, due to the image that God has made you to be, due to how God has blessed you with your natural endowment, with your natural body? When you are in public, maybe you people, there will be people there will be more than 10, 20 people. But when someone comes in, he's going to walk to you straight and say, brother, help me. Please, I need your help. It's not as if you don't want to help, but you don't have it. But people look at you as someone that has it. Are you that woman that is watching me on here? They call you big lady. They call you queen. They call you Lolo. But you are nothing. You have nothing to write home about. Let me tell you, there is fire on the mountain. I am the man that wears the mountain, the eyes of the gods. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. If you are here, that God has made you and blessed you from your mother's womb, and when people see you, people will ask you for help. It's not as if that you don't want to help them, but you don't have it to help. But they are looking unto you. You have been experiencing failure, blockages, stagnation, rising and falling, delay success syndrome. This message is for you. Are you that woman that they call queen, they call you Egovine, they name you all sorts of names? You are struggling to make ends meet. You are suffering. But when you dress and go out, people will think that you have it. When you are in public, people will praise you, people will ask you for help, people will ask you for favor. But you are dying slowly. This message is for you. All you need to do for me is to go and get me coconut. You can get any amount of coconut that your hand can reach. 4 pieces is okay, 2 pieces is okay, 3 pieces is okay. But if you have money, get these 4 pieces, because you will be needing the water. And get me salt. With these 2 items, you are going to solve that problem. That problem that has been lingering in your life, that emptiness, that leaking pocket, that stagnation, that blockages, disappointment and failure. But before I go on to tell you how you are going to do this, if you have never given this video a like, give this video a like, share this video, and ask me questions. If there's any place that you don't understand, you can also put the country where you are watching me from. My name still remains Brother Chima, and on this channel we have our spiritual materials that are locally made, and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it all over the world. It has been from one testimony to the other. Yes, we also help people with their spiritual problem. We do spiritual work, and if this is your first time of coming in contact with my face, you are welcome. Whatsoever that is your problem that made you to behold my face this minute, my God is going to solve it for you. Please give this video a like and share it and subscribe to my channel. On this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made. We have the curse breaking soul. We have the road opening soul. We have the back to center soul. We have the harmonious soul. We have the mercy and favor soul. We have the love and attraction soul. We have the crowd pulling soul. We have the stop evil soul. We have the spiritual cleansing bad debtors. We have the antidotes for your problems on this channel. We have attraction bracelets, pancane oil, protection bracelets. We also have the Ego Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. Are you suffering from moving object? Have you stepped on a something? Have they poisoned you in the dream? Have they been attacking you, sending evil arrows in your body? You are having itches all over your body. You are having burnings all over your body. Something is crawling all over your body. Brother Chima have antidotes to your problem. It is called Ego Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover, the moving object destroyer. I don't want to know how many years that has lasted in your body. Tested is trusted. A lot of people has purchased this product all over the world, and it has been testimony galore. We ship all part of the whole world through EMS, FedEx, DHL, UPS. If you place an order, your shipment will get to your doorstep within the interval of 4 to 5 days. Yes, you can call me on the phone, or better still chat me on WhatsApp. +234 7088 136610. +234 7088 136610. That is my number. If you need me to do anything for you spiritually, don't hesitate to contact me without wasting each and every one of your time. Like the message is saying, you that people look as a big man and nothing is inside your pocket. The Bible says it uses the foolish thing to confirm the wise, and the spiritual control the physical realm. Let me tell you how you are going to put an end to that leaking pocket, to that stagnation, to that near success syndrome, that delay in your life. Get me any amount of coconut that you want. 4 pieces, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, that will get enough water. It's still a mystery up to today. Nobody knows how coconut carries water inside of it. So nobody will know where your life starts. Nobody knows how God creates you. Nobody knows how you come inside your mother's belly. So every evil that any man has placed on you, or any woman, that is causing that near success syndrome, that is causing that delay, that is causing that disappointment, that is causing that failure, that is making you to suffer like an elephant and eat like an ant. When people sees you, they count you like a big man or a big woman, but there is nothing to write home about. Get me 4 pieces of coconut. Do this assignment. You can do it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. No time is essential. Do this assignment completely 4 days. Get me 1 piece of coconut or 4 pieces. Break it the form. Make sure nobody is going to eat the coconut. Break the form and pour it inside a pail, a bucket, where you used to, that bucket that you used to take your bait. Take 1 spoon of sea salt or 1 spoon of table salt and add inside the coconut water. Then begin to pray. Begin to pray. Call the universe, because there is power in the universe. Because there is power in spoken word. Call your father's deities and ancestors. Call God in heaven for them to come and help you. That look at the way your life has been. People think you are eating when you are hungry. People ask you for money. People ask you for help, but you cannot help. Hey, God in heaven, nobody knows how coconuts carries water. Nobody knows how you create me. For that reason, today, as I am doing this cleansing, let every power that is working against my prosperity, let every man that is working against my prosperity, let them come to end. Let every stagnation, let every war that is working against my prosperity, let them come to that end. use that water to take your bath. Don't dry your body. Don't dry your body. Get 4 pieces of coconut so that you can get enough water. You can take your normal bath. After taking your normal bath, then bless that water. Speak to the water. Cancel abject poverty. Cancel near success syndrome. Cancel delay in your life. And use the water to take your bath. Do this for good 4 days. And come back here to give Brother Chima a testimony. Please, if there's any bit of this video that you don't understand that I said, put it on the comment section. Ask me questions. You can also tell me the country where you are watching me from. The number you see on the screen is my number. Call me on the phone if there's anything you want me to do for you. And if you are interested in my spiritual product, I am open to communication. God bless you. Bless you. Keep subscribing. Keep liking. Share this video. And may my God bless you. Thank you. See you in my next video.